Welcome to Unit 3, the last lesson in English for Beginners course. So we have this reading here, Metro 5. You're going to read it, and after that, we are going to answer these questions. So you can stop the video, read, and then answer. Okay, so I hope you finished reading. Now let's answer the questions here. Are all the boys from Ireland? No, they aren't. Are they all brothers? No, they aren't. Where are they? They are in Las Vegas, in the United States. And are they happy? Yes, they are. That's very good. Okay, so we're going to listen now, and we're going to correct the information in these sentences. For example, the band Metro 5 are in Brazil. So they aren't in Brazil, they are in the United States. So let's listen and correct these sentences.
Script 3.9.
1. The band Metro 5 are in Brazil.
They aren't in Brazil. They're in the United States.
2. They're in New York.
They aren't in New York. They're in Las Vegas.
3. Beau's from Australia.
He isn't from Australia. He's from Sweden.
4. Edson's from Sweden.
He isn't from Sweden. He's from Brazil.
5. They're very tired.
They aren't tired. They're happy and excited to be here.
Okay, I hope you are ready. If you need to listen one more time, you can do this, okay? So remember, we are using verb to be and we are using affirmative sentences and negative sentences. So number 2, they are in New York. They aren't in New York, they are in Las Vegas. Number 3, the answer is he isn't from Australia, he's from Sweden. Number 4, he isn't from Sweden, he's from Brazil. Number 5, they aren't tired, they are happy and excited to be here. That's very good. Okay, now let's move to another exercise. We have here track 3.10. We're going to listen to it. We have these questions. How old is Ronan? Who is 21? Question 3 and 4. So let's listen, and after that, we're going to answer the questions. You can listen more than one time if you need it. Okay.
Script 3.2.
Interview with the band.
Here we go.
Hi.
Hi.
Now, this is your first time in Las Vegas, yes?
Yeah, that's right. It's fantastic here. It's great.
Good. Now, one by one, Ronan, you're from Australia.
Yes, I am.
And how old are you, Ronan?
I'm 24.
Okay. And Beau, you're from Brazil and Edson's from Sweden.
No, I'm not from Brazil. Edson's from Brazil. I'm from Sweden.
Sorry, guys. So, Beau and Edson, how old are you?
We're both 21.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Now, Donnie and Paul, you're brothers.
Yeah, we are.
And you're from Scotland.
No. We aren't from Scotland. We're from Ireland.
Ireland. Oh, yes. Sorry. How old are you both?
I'm 22. And I'm 19.
Thanks. Now, who's married in Metro 5?
We aren't married.
No. I am.
Ah, Ronan, you're married.
Yeah. My wife's name's Lisa. She isn't here. She's in Australia.
Ah, well, thank you, Metro 5. Welcome to Las Vegas.
It's
Oh,
great to be here.
Thanks.
All right, so let's try to answer the questions together. So number 1, Ronan is 24. Number 2, Bo and Edson are 21. Number 3, Paul is 22 and Donnie is 19. Number 4, Ronan is married. Paul, Donnie, and Bo and Edson aren't married. That's very good. Now, I want you to listen to this track here, 3.11. We got some conversations and we're going to complete them. So let's do them together. You can listen more than one time.
Tape script 3.11.
Social expressions. 1.
I'm sorry. That's okay.
2.
A coffee, please. That's £1.20. Thanks very much.
3.
Excuse me, where's the station?
It's over there.
Thanks a lot.
4.
Thank you very much. That's very kind.
That's okay.
5.
¿Qué hora es?
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
6.
Excuse me, where's the town centre?
I'm sorry, I don't know.
All right, so let's read them together. I'm sorry. That's okay. And then we got a coffee, please. And then thank you or thanks very much. All right, now let's go to number 3 here. We got excuse me, where's the station? It's over there. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. That's very kind. That's okay. And then I'm sorry. I don't understand. Excuse me. Where's the town center? I'm sorry. I don't know. Okay, so that's very nice. We just finished Unit 3, everyone. Yay. Okay, so next time, inshallah, we're going to move to Unit 4, Family and Friends. Make sure you download the material and get everything from the links under the video, and see you, inshallah, in the coming video. Thank you. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.